Spring has sprung, but as we head outside for a garden tidy up, hedgehogs are also emerging for the first time. Here are the common hazards you need to know about to protect a dwindling population. Stop and check. Before you start the strimmer, do a quick foot patrol or pat down the grass. It takes a human 30 seconds, but could save a hedgehog a lifetime. Toxic chemicals. Pesticides don't just kill slugs and insects, they also poison the animals that eat them. Use alternatives like beer traps, copper tape or wool and let nature do the pest control for you. The paddling pool. It's great for the kids, but for a thirsty hedgehog, it's a slippery death trap that they can't climb out of. Keep pools covered overnight to stop them falling in. If you have a pond, provide an exit using a plank of wood. The abyss. An uncovered drain is a one-way trip to hedgehog hell. These are a significant cause of trapped animal emergency calls. Walk your property today. If a drain is open, cover it. It's the most obvious way to save a life on this list. Hungry hedgehogs. After 5 months of sleep, they need to regain weight fast. Supplement their natural diet with meaty cat food and a shallow bowl of water. It's the best welcome back gift you can give. The family dog. Even a playful pup can cause some serious stress or injury to a hedgehog. If you're letting a dog out after dark, flick the lights on first as a warning, and a little supervision keeps everyone's tail wagging. The Great Wall. Your fence might look great, but it's a roadblock for biodiversity. Create a hedgehog highway, which is a 13 by 13 centimeter gap that connects your garden and wildlife to the neighborhood. It's the ultimate status symbol for nature lovers. Whether you're rolling up your sleeves to do the gardening yourself or hiring a tradesperson to spruce up your space, keep these tips at the top of the checklist. Small changes save lives. Let's make our gardens a safe haven for Britain's favorite prickly friend.